Do not regret what you have done. Perceive that which cannot be seen with the eye. Truth is not what you want it to be, it is what it is, and you must bend to its power or live a lie. In battle, if you make your opponent flinch, you have already won. You can only fight the way you practice. The important thing in strategy is to suppress the enemy's useful actions, but allow his useless actions. If you wish to control others, you must first control yourself. All men are the same except for their belief in their own selves, regardless of what others may think of them. Think lightly of yourself and deeply of the world. It is difficult to understand the universe if you only study one planet. You must understand that there is more than one path to the top of the mountain. Do not collect weapons or practice with weapons beyond what is useful. The only thing that we can control is ourselves and the way in which we react to the world around us. If you wish to control others, you must first control yourself. Do nothing which is of no use. 1,000 days of lessons for discipline, 10,000 days of lessons for mastery. Perceive those things which cannot be seen. The ultimate aim of martial arts is not having to use them. The important thing in strategy is to suppress the enemy's useful actions, but allow his useless actions. Get beyond love and grief. Exist for the good of man. Both in fighting and in everyday life, you should be determined though calm. Cultivate a wide view of things. Do not let your spirit be influenced by your body, or your body be influenced by your spirit. Think lightly of yourself and deeply of the world. The important thing in strategy is to suppress the enemy's useful actions, but allow his useless actions. It is said the warrior's is the twofold way of pen and sword, and he should have a taste for both ways. Think lightly of yourself and deeply of the world. In battle, if you make your opponent flinch, you have already won.